everybody, welcome back to the channel. We were getting ready to grill up some steaks and some shrimp for supper, and I was like, hey, we need to do a little update on the Skottle. So just from 3 or 4 weeks ago when we built this, we've been using it almost daily, just kind of testing it and using it for breakfast, steaks, shrimp, I mean just about everything. And we really like it, guys. It's wonderful to cook on. And one of the things that we changed from when we built it is the burner. The burner we felt like didn't get quite hot enough if we wanted to get it a little hotter. And so I went on Amazon and found a different burner. And I'll put the BTUs down here and below. I can't remember off the top of my head. But this guy, it will scorch it now. It will get it really hot. So yeah. So I had to make a new bracket for this one here, but other than that, it wasn't a whole lot of change. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna cook a couple of steaks or a steak and a couple of shrimp. But we like cooking ours and some bacon fat on there. And today we're having a nice ribeye, not a ribeye.
T-bone.
T-bone. One of Lindy's favorites. Guys, it's almost hot enough out here you don't need any gas. But thankful for our DIY awning here. If you haven't seen that video, check it out, guys. This thing is it's great. It's throwing a shade on us here today, and it's quite a bit nicer than the sun beating down on top of your head. Looking good. Alright, now we're going to go on with some shrimp here. They are large shrimp with a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper. Yeah, you can pretty much cook anything, guys, on this. We've been cooking chicken thighs and legs on here, and this is another little thing I came up with. This is actually a dog pan from Walmart, and it makes a great little dome to cover your food, especially like chicken thighs. We use it a lot. And since you want to get the chicken done a little bit, a little bit more through than a steak. Yeah, I'm going to call that done.
Yeah, they're done.
They're probably done. And super easy to clean. I've just been draining the grease out of it and wiping it down, scraping anything that's stuck on it, and wiping it down, and we're good to go for the next time. So, all right, guys, that's an update on the Skottle, and we'll see you next time. Have a blessed week.